Hello everyone, welcome to Specs and Scissors. This is the second album from the Art Embellishment series that I am creating. The theme of this album is Live. I will provide the link to the first album. The theme of that album was Joy, Happiness. So if you can see here, for this album I have used the Art Embellishment-Sentiment Clip, and the sentiment here is Live. So the theme of this entire album is based on that. The paper series used here is a combination of two paper series, the Lost and Found paper collections and the Mambi kit Me and My Big Ideas collection. So I've mixed and matched and used it. The album is created by using the Recollections brown envelopes. The cover of this album is a chipboard cover, which I have layered it with a brown cardstock sheet, and then on top of that I have glued on this pattern paper from the Lost and Found series. Here, as you see, on the spine I have used a red pattern paper, and at the edges I have used the Martha Stewart edge punch to create a design like this. The same on the back side of the album. On the cover, this is a photo frame which I have used, and below it is a sentiment that says life is a journey, as this album theme is Live. And on top of that I have layered a journaling card from the Recollections journaling pad and used a sentiment on it. Now these here, you see, these are chipboard gears. I have colored it with black ink and then applied some golden glitter to give it a little bit shine. Now let's see the inside pages. If you see the first album from this series, I've mentioned that the paper construction will be the same in all the 5 albums that I create from this art embellishment series. So here also the paper page construction is same. I will also provide the link to the page construction that is already uploaded. So here there is a pocket, and there's a sentiment here which is good times. I've layered it on a black cardstock and cut it in the shape of a flag. This is again a journaling card which says bucket list. So there is space, you can write your bucket list here. Back side it's plain, and I have edged the back with Tim Holtz vintage ink. This is a photo mat where you can have 2 photos. This album can hold approximately 25 to 30 photos in total. So this is a flap and pocket style pages. There are 3 pages. I've used all bright colors, solid cardstock for the front of the flaps, and layered a doily on it to give it a little bit of design to the plain solid cardstock. The edge of these flaps, I have used my edge punch to give this design. You open this flap. Inside I have used the Mambi kit pattern paper. I really liked this particular sheet from the collection, which has a lot of sentiments on it, and it actually matched the theme for this album. And here I have used these photo corners, so that you need not stick the photo onto this album. You can just insert it here and change it whenever you want. As you turn over the page, here there is a pocket which has a photo mat that can accommodate 2 more photos. This has a lime green solid cardstock on it. Here you see the same beautiful sheet I have used, and this is a self print patterned paper from the kit. Again a pocket. I've tried to keep the color synchronization in this album. This one is a sky blue. The sentiment here is friends. And there's again a pocket with a red cardstock photo mat. On the last base cover there's another pocket, and I have again layered a cutout sentiment on a chipboard extra piece that I had, and it says be happy. I've just stuck it onto the pocket that I created here, and this pocket holds 3 more photos along with 2 journaling cards. These journaling cards are from the same recollections journaling pad that I had showed you earlier, and these are the 3 photo mats. Each can hold 2 photos. These flags that you see here, these I've cut out from another sheet from this same kit, and because this checkered look was going bland on the top, so I just layered these 3 flags on here to give it a little design, and the back side is plain. So this is it about the second album from the Art Embellishments series. You can check the previous album and the tutorial for the pages. I will provide the link to the same. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe, comment or like if you like the video. Thank you.